In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix games not appearing in the Steam store. If you've searched for a game on Steam but it isn't showing up in the store, the issue may be caused by your store preferences. Steam includes content filters that can hide certain games from search results, making it seem as though they aren't available. To get started, open Steam and go to the store. If you search for a game and it doesn't appear in the results, don't worry, as this can usually be fixed with a quick settings change. Click on your account name in the top right corner of the Steam window, then select Store Preferences. This will open your Steam Store preference settings, where you can customize what types of content are shown in the store. On the Store Preferences page, review the available content filtering options. Make sure the appropriate boxes are enabled so that the types of games you're looking for aren't being hidden by your current settings. If these filters are turned off, certain games may not appear in search results or while browsing the Steam store. After updating your preferences, return to the store by clicking Store at the top of Steam. Now search for the game again using the search bar. If the issue was caused by your content filters, the game should now appear in the search results, allowing you to open its store page as normal. And that's all there is to it. Adjusting your Steam store preferences is often all that's needed to make hidden games appear again in the Steam store.